Good evening, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll solve the next exercise 22A of new chapter, that is simple linear equations including word problem. So this is the session 1, first session of this fresh new chapter. So let's start from question number 1. Question number 1. So in this chapter there will be some equations. Regarding this chapter. There will be some equations. Variables can be x, y, a, z, or there are many more. Some variables will be given forming an equation, and we have to solve the equation. That means we have to find the value of those variables used in the equation. For example, suppose in the first equation, the equation is x plus 2 equal to 6. Here the variable used is x. We have to find out the value of x. The variable used in the equation, we have to find out the variable, the value of that variable, right? So first equation is x plus 2 equal to 6. Here variable used x. We have to find out the value of x. That is the variable. Therefore, if we want to find out the value of x, we need to transfer these two. That means we need to transfer these two from left hand side to right hand side. This is the equation, this is the equal sign, and this portion is the left hand side portion, that is the x plus 2, and this 6, this is the right hand side portion. So we have to transfer or change the position of this 2 to find the value of x. Now whenever you want to transfer this 2 from this left hand side to right hand side, the sign will automatically get reverse. That means x equal to 6 minus 2. So the 2, that is the plus 2, or the number 2 is transferred from left hand side to right hand side, and in the left hand side the sign is plus. So whenever we'll write 2 on the right hand side, the sign will automatically get reversed. That means the sign will be minus. That is 6 minus 2. Now 6 minus 2 equal to 4. That means the value of x will be 4. This is the solution. Always remember, whenever we want to change the position from left hand side to right hand side, or from right hand side to left hand side, the sign will automatically get reverse. That means if there is a plus sign, the sign will be minus. If there is a minus sign, the sign will be plus. If there is a division sign, the sign will be multiplication, and if there is a multiplication sign, the sign will be division. If there is a change in position, that means from left hand side to right hand side, or from right hand side to left hand side. So here the answer is 4. X equals to 4. Next, after question number 1, next question number 3, equation is y plus 8 equal to 5. Here the variable used is y. So we have to find out the value of y. The same case, just transfer this constant part. Constant part means this is the constant part, because this is the variable, y is the variable. This is the constant part, that means number part. We have to change the position of this number part to find out the value of y. So whenever we will try to change the position of this constant part or number part, the sign will automatically get reverse. That means here is a plus sign. Whenever you want to transfer, the sign will automatically get reverse. So sign will be minus. Now 5 minus 8 means minus 3. So answer is minus 3. Next, question number 5. Y plus 2 equals to minus 8. Here also variable is used as y. So transfer this constant part. It will be minus 2, minus 10. So answer y equal to minus 10. Because this is the constant part, plus 2 is the constant part. We will have to transfer this plus 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So sign will automatically get reverse. That means here is a plus 2. If we write 2 on the right hand side, the sign will automatically get reversed. That means the sign will be minus 2. So minus 8 minus 2 means minus 10. Answer is minus 10. Next, question number 9. A plus 8.9 equal to minus 12.6. Here variable used is a. Therefore, just transfer the constant part. Minus 12.6, that is the number here, and the sign is plus, so it will automatically get reversed. That means minus 8.9. So A will be 12.6 and 8.9. So answer is 21.5 minus 21.5, because there is 2 minus sign. When there is 2 minus sign, the result is plus. That means we will just add and put the minus sign. That is your answer. So minus 21.5 is the answer. Next question. Question number 11. Z plus 2 equals to 4 upon 1 by 5. This is a mixed fraction. So we will first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 21 by 5, 4 5s are 20, 20 and 1, 21, so 21 by 5. Next we will transfer this constant part, that is 21 by 5 minus 2, because here sign is plus. So when you will transfer, the sign will automatically get reverse. So minus 2. Now we will find LCM. Consider it as 1. Now find out LCM. That is 11 by 5. Now converting into mixed fraction, 2 upon 1 by 5. So value is 2 upon 1 by 5. That is your answer. Next question. Question number 15. A plus 3 upon 1 by 5 equals to 1 upon 1 by 2. Converting into improper fractions. 3 5s are 15, 15 1s are 16, 16 by 5, 2 1s are 2, 1 3, so 3 by 2. Now transfer this constant part to right hand side. 3 by 2 minus 16 by 5. Same process, the sign will automatically get reverse. Now find out LCM of the denominator. Converting into mixed fraction, your answer is minus 1 upon 7 by 10. Minus 1 upon 7 by 10 is the answer. Next. So question from part 1 were solved. Next part 2. Question number 2. The equation is m minus 2 equal to minus 5. M minus 2 equal to minus 5. Variable used is m. So same process, minus 5 plus 2, because here sign is minus used. So when you will transfer, the minus will change to plus. Therefore m equal to minus 3. So your answer is minus 3. Next question number 5. Equation is y minus 3 upon 1 by 2 equal to 6. First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 7. So y minus 7 by 2 equal to 6. Now transfer this minus 7 by 2 to right hand side. Sign will reverse, so 6 plus 7 by 2. Now LCM, consider it as 1. LCM of the denominator, that is 2. (12 plus 7, 19 by 2. Converting into mixed fraction, 9 upon 1 by 2. Therefore answer is 9 upon 1 by 2. Next question number 5. Solve. Next question 9. Question number 9. Part 2. Question number 9. Equation is n minus 4 equal to minus 4 upon 1 by 5. Equation is n minus 4 equals to minus 4 upon 1 by 5. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. N minus 4. 4 5s are 20, 20 and 1, 21. So 21 by 5 minus 21 by 5. 4 5s are 20, 20 and 1 21. So minus 21 by 5. Now transfer this minus 4, it will get plus 4. Sign is automatically get reversed. Now LCM, n equals to, consider it as 1, do LCM, 4 and 1 LCM is 4. N equals to, converting into mixed fraction, your answer is minus 1 upon 1 by 4. Next next question. Next question, question number 7. Question number 7, equation is P minus 5.4 equal to 2.7. P minus 5.4 equal to 2.7. So find out the value of P. P is the variable here. So transfer this 5.4 part, it will get added. After transferring, answer is 7.1. So answer is 7.1. Just add 2.7 and 5.4 in rough space, 7.1. Next question number 3, part 3, question number 2. Equation is 2y equals to 9. Equation is 2y equals to 9. Now 2y means 2 multiply y. Here variable used is y. So to find out the value of y, we need to transfer this 2. Now here 2 is multiplied with y. That means the sign is multiplication. Whenever you transfer this 2, the multiplication sign will get its reverse sign. And the reverse sign of multiplication is division. So 2 will be divided. And division means it will be in the denominator form. Now converting this into mixed fraction, this will be 4 upon 1 by 2. Your answer is 4 upon 1 by 2. Here 2 is multiplied. Sign is multiplication. And the reciprocal or reverse sign of multiplication is division. So when you transfer this 2 to right hand side, the sign will automatically get reverse. That means the multiplication sign will be division sign. And division means 2 will be in the denominator. That is division. Now converting into mixed fraction, your answer is 4 upon 1 by 2. Next question number 3. Equation is 5z equal to 8.5. Also here 5z means 5 into z, that is 5z. Find out the value of z because z is the variable. 8.5 divided by 5 because 5 is multiplied here. The sign is multiplication. When you will transfer the multiplication sign, reciprocal or reverse of multiplication is division. So 5 will be divided, and division means it will be in the denominator. 5 will be in the denominator. Now simply divide. If you divide, your answer is 1 by 7. Z will be, answer is 1 by 7. Just divide 8.5 with 5, or also you can reduce directly. Answer will be 1.7. Next question number 5. 3.2p equal to 16. 3.2p equals to 16. 3.2p means 3.2 multiply p. Find out the value of p. In the same way, 3.2 will be divided because sign is multiplication. When you change or transfer the sign, transfer the number, it will be divided. So 3.2. Now 16 by 32 into 10, because if you reduce this decimal, there is only one digit after the decimal, so 10 will be in the numerator. Now reduce, 16 2s are 32, 2 5s are 10, answer is 5. Answer is 5. Next, so question number 3 solve. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. Question 1. Equation is x by 2 equal to 5. Now x by 2 means you can write x by 2 as x into 1 by 2 equal to 5. You can write x by 2 x into 1 by 2. Now if you want to find out the value of x, this 1 by 2 will have to be transferred from left hand side to right hand side. If you transfer this 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 sign is multiplication. So whenever you will transfer this 1 by 2, the sign will be division. That means it will be 5 division 1 by 2 like this. 5 division 1 by 2 means it will be 5 into 1 by 2, because if you want to convert from division sign to multiplication sign, this number should be reversed. So 5 into 2, so answer is 10. So x will be equal to 10. Next question, question number 5. m by 6 equals to 2 upon 1 by 2. m by 6 equals to 2 upon 1 by 2. First converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 5, so 5 by 2. Again the same approach, m by 6 you can write m by 6 as m into 1 by 6. That is m by 6. Now the same process, this 1 by 6 will have to be transferred. As there is a multiplication sign, whenever you will convert, this multiplication sign will be division. Now converting division from multiplication, converting division to multiplication, it will automatically get reverse. Whenever you will convert from division to multiplication, this number automatically get reverse or reciprocate. That means it will be 6. Now answer is 2 3s are 6, so 5 3s are 15. Your answer is 15. Answer is 15. Next question. Question number 6. Equation is n by 7 equal to minus 2.8. Approach is same. You can write n by 7 as n into 1 by 7. In the same way, when you will transfer this 1 by 7, it will be division. In the same way, converting from division sign to multiplication sign, it will be like this. Now just multiply. Answer is minus 19.6. Next, last part of this exercise, that is question number 5, part 2. Equation is minus 3.5y equal to 14. Minus 3.5y equal to 14. You can write minus 3.5y as 3.5 into y. Now if you want to find out the value of y, this minus 3.5 will have to be transferred. As there is a multiplication sign, that means when you will transfer, this multiplication sign will be reversed. That means the sign will be division. So 14 divided by 3.5, and there is a minus sign, so minus sign will be there. Right? Division means it will be in the denominator. Now if you simplify, further simplify, it will be 14 35 by 10, because we have omit this decimal point. After decimal there is a single digit, so there will be only 10. Further simplify, 10 will be in the numerator by 35. Reduce it with 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10. Answer is minus 4. 2 2s are 4, so answer is minus 4. Answer will be minus 4. Next, question number 5. 2 equals to p plus 5. 2 equals to p plus 5. We have to find out the value of p because p is the variable. So if you want to find out the value of p, you need to transfer this plus 5 from right hand side to left hand side. Therefore, it will be minus 5. If you transfer this plus 5 from right hand side to left hand side, the sign will automatically get reverse. And the reverse of plus is minus. So 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 means minus 3. So minus 3 equal to 5. Therefore, your answer is p will be minus 3. That is your answer. Next, question number 8. Question number 8 is 5 equal to, equation is 5 equal to m plus 3 upon 4 by 7. Converting into improper fraction. M plus 3 7s are 21, 21 4s are 25, 25 by 7. Same process, we have to find out the value of m because m is the variable. So if you want to find out the value of m, this constant part need to be transferred from right hand side to left hand side, and if you do so, the sign will be automatically get reverse. That means it will be minus sign. That is the m. Now simplify, consider it as 1, find out LCM of denominator. (35 minus 25 equals by 7 equal to m). 35 minus 25 means 10. So 10 by 7 equal to m. Therefore, value of m will be 10 by 7. Converting into mixed fraction, it will be 1 upon 3 by 7. Next. Next question, after question number 8, last question, question 4. Equation is minus 5 equal to a plus 3. Here variable used as a. So to find out the value of a, this plus 3 need to be transferred. So when you will transfer this plus 3, it will be minus 3 here because the reverse sign of plus is minus. Minus 5 minus 3 means minus 8 equals to a. Therefore, variable a is minus 8. That is the answer. So that's it. This exercise is completely solved. In the next session we will solve the next exercise. Thank you.